Namaskar. Welcome to this live program of NCERT. This is an outreach program in GIS based on GeoPortal School Bhuvan NCERT for PGTs in geography, geography teachers who are teaching geography at +2 level. I am Aparna Pandey, Professor of Geography and coordinator of this program. This program will run for 5 days from today 24th of September to 28th September. Every day 2 sessions will be held. First session will be from 10 am to 11 am and second session will be from 12 o'clock to 1 pm. Keeping in view school timings in different parts of the country, we have kept these timings of the sessions. The objective of this program is to make you familiar with this portal School Bhuvan NCERT, which has been developed in collaboration with National Remote Sensing Center, Hyderabad, which is a constituent unit of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. And information about this portal has also been given in our textbooks in latest reprint editions. I would like to show you class 6 textbook, The Earth Our Habitat, geography textbook, The Earth Our Habitat. In this textbook, in chapter number 4, you can see one box is given on School Bhuvan NCERT portal. Under Let's Do activities, visit web portal School Bhuvan NCERT. URL of this portal is also given and you can develop online neighborhood map. In this chapter, students are expected to draw maps or sketch on paper, but this portal School Bhuvan NCERT provides an opportunity to learners to draw online maps on satellite imageries. In class 9th, the textbook is Contemporary India 1. In this textbook, in chapter number 1, theme is size and location. In this chapter, on page number 5, again one box is given, do you know, and School Bhuvan is a portal provides map based learning, and this URL is again given because focus of this portal is on India, its natural resources. Students will become aware of natural resources of India. They may be sensitized towards environmental conservation and sustainable development. In class 10th, again in textbook Contemporary India 2, in the beginning of the chapters, one box is given here on this page about School Bhuvan NCERT, an online web portal. All information about activities which are given under level 1, level 2, level 3 are given here in this box. In class 11th, theme is India Physical Environment. In this textbook, again in chapter 1, on page number 5, the box is there, do you remember, and information about School Bhuvan NCERT portal has been given. In class 12th, book is India, People and Economy. In this chapter, again before all the chapters, one box is there on this page, and this big box gives all information about School Bhuvan NCERT portal. Information about this portal has been included in the latest edition of the textbooks. This portal was developed in 2015, and several programs were also organized to make you aware about this portal. To reach out large number of students and teachers of the country, information has been given in textbook. But we want that each and every student and teachers who are using this portal, they should be aware how to use these tools which are available here and how to maximize its benefits. We have received several queries from teachers who are participating today in this program, that whether their students and other subjects teacher can attend this program, can participate in this program. We would like to say that course design of this program has been developed keeping in view PGTs in geography, because they have disciplinary knowledge and they are teaching these subjects in the classroom. But there is no restriction. If you want to attend this program, you are most welcome, but certificates will not be given to other teachers. This will be for PGTs in geography. You can send your queries regarding any session through email. Our email ID is schoolbhuvan-ncert@gmail.com. I am repeating it, schoolbhuvan-ncert in continuation, schoolbhuvan-ncert@gmail.com. You can also make queries. You can make phone calls on our toll-free numbers which will appear on the screen during the session. I would request that every day after each session you can send your queries, or you can during the session also you can send your queries. We will find some time to answer your queries during the session or after the session. Here for certificate, you are more worried about the certificate because I received several queries, I informed you. There are some conditions. You are participating in this program, it's good, but you will have to submit 2 projects. We will provide themes of these projects in the last session on 28 September. And these projects will be based on School Bhuvan NCERT portal. These themes will not be very difficult, these projects will not be very difficult, but we want that you should develop these projects and submit these projects through email, online, again on schoolbhuvan-ncert@gmail.com. Along with these projects, you will have to submit feedback form. This feedback form also you will get online and you will have to submit online. Besides themes related to School Bhuvan NCERT, during the session we have also included some other themes related to space technologies, its missions and applications, satellites and sensors, geographical information system, and very important topic in which student of class 6 will be very much interested, and this topic is career opportunities in geospatial technologies. One more session will be on e-learning resources in remote sensing and geographical information systems. Topics which are given in our textbooks related to remote sensing and geographical information systems have been discussed in these e-learning programs. So again, I would like to remind you that there will be 2 sessions every day from 10 to 11 and 12 o'clock to 1 p.m. If you have any query regarding this program, you can send to our email ID and we will respond you. So first I would like to introduce you to School Bhuvan NCERT portal. For that you need computer obviously and internet connection. If you have computer with internet connectivity, you can search this web portal, putting its name in any search engine like. Yes, one thing I would like to say that all these sessions we have focused on hands-on activities. So simultaneously, if you want to do these activities, you can do, or you can note down all these steps and during break time you can do these activities. If you feel any problem, please send us queries. We will also make you aware about one software, free open software QGIS, and how you can develop choropleth maps, location maps in School Bhuvan NCERT portal as well as in Quantum GIS software. Methods of these choropleth maps, location maps, point maps have been discussed in class 12's geography syllabus, and how you can develop online maps using this portal you will learn during these sessions. If I write School Bhuvan NCERT, click here. This is School Bhuvan NCERT. Click on this. This is the home page of School Bhuvan NCERT portal. These are level 1, level 2 and level 3 activities. These activities have been developed for different stages of school education, from upper primary to higher secondary stage. Bhuvan 3D, in this you can see 3D features of natural as well as human made features in India. GIS viewer helps you to develop choropleth maps as well as point maps to show location in India, location of capital cities, location of any place with the help of point feature in India. Help material. If we click here, help material is available here. Some materials are available in PPT form, PowerPoint or PDF file or in video form. You can download these materials in your computer, and stepwise instructions are given to develop any project on School Bhuvan NCERT portal. If we click here, it is written explore. Click here. These are the thematic maps based on natural features or physical features of India. Like this is climate, drainage. If we will click drainage, click on major rivers, see different rivers of India on this screen. On A4 size map or in textbooks, we can show only few rivers or few major rivers and their tributaries, whereas in satellite imageries you can see small rivulets, small tributary of different major rivers. Students get thrilled to see small rivers of their own area. So, let them explore to search their own river, where their river which flows in their village or in their state or in their town. So, through these local understanding, local geography, you can build some more concepts. Click here, it shows political boundary of political map of India. Click here on satellite, then you can see satellite images of India. If you will click here, this box will disappear. So, I request you to allow students to explore this and learn, ask them to learn through this portal. Do not tell them what to observe, only just provide them opportunities to learn, to explore whatever they want, and then discuss in the classroom that what they have observed on this portal. Zoom in and zoom out facility is also available. Click here, you can zoom in this area and small patches of agricultural land can be seen. Settlements can be seen. Here, this is a small hamlets you can see on the screen. Patterns of roads can also be explained through this portal. You need fast internet connection for that, so it will be easy for you to see satellite imageries. Several tools are available on this portal. First, if you would like to see some tools available under thematic series 1, if we are going to open map on climate, annual rainfall. This is the map of annual rainfall. If you want to relate annual rainfall with the production of rice or wheat, click on thematic series 2. Click on agriculture. Rice growing areas are shown, and now map of rice is available on the screen. Here, this activate swipe tool is available. This can be used to swipe one layer. Click here and you can swipe this layer which is on the layer of climate on the map. Why I am swiping this layer? These two themes are interrelated, and impact of rainfall, availability of water resources in any area has great impact on the production of rice. So, ask students and to analyze these maps, availability of water resources, availability of physical relief features, which are suitable conditions for growing rice in these areas. Again, you can click on any other, click on soil, click on soil types, shift this box here, again click on activate swipe and remove this layer from the map of India and ask students to relate 2-3 features, 2-3 themes. One is on annual rainfall, another is rice production, another is soil types. So, themes which are given under thematic series 1, mostly these themes are related to natural features of India, and thematic series 2 under this themes are related to natural or human made resources. You can take print out of these maps also. Click here, print is written, click here, write the title of the map, write description. If title of the map is soil, description is soil types, and then proceed. Please wait, PDF report is generating. The map will be available in PDF form. Now, PDF report generated. Click OK. Now, we are going to discuss the tools which are available on this portal. We can remove these layers by clicking again on these layers. Soil, click here. In thematic series, drainage, click here. So, all these layers have gone. Click here to see the complete picture. Then this is tools. Under tools, different other tools are available. With the help of navigation, what we can do, because students will be very much interested in navigation, and nowadays they are using in their mobiles also. Enter location. If we want to go from Ernakulam, Kerala, this is the image of Ernakulam, via Nagpur, Maharashtra to Leh, Jammu and Kashmir. By distance, get route. Click here and then you will see this is the route from Ernakulam via Nagpur to Leh, and details of these are given here. All details are here, you can see. Let children explore different routes on the map of India, which is not possible in the textbooks, which is not possible on paper maps. If again we would like to visit any other place, click here, start point from Surat, Surat in Gujarat, This is the image of Surat. Click here via Bengaluru to Chennai. We have planned our route like that. Click on distance, get route. This is the route. When students will use these tools like tool of navigation, they are not only aware of, they are becoming aware of different location of these cities as well as the routes, other places via this route is going, and when we click on any place on this satellite imagery, you can see latitude and longitude of that place. So, if we are putting cursor on Surat, latitude and longitude you can see here. Then again, if we are changing location, wherever we will put cursor, this is showing exact latitude and longitude of that place. So, first when you will introduce this portal to students, suggest them to do such exercise which will encourage them to learn more. If we will give them directly very heavy exercises, then they will not be very much interested. Ask them to explore some places where they would like to visit, see these satellite imageries where different patterns, settlement patterns, rivers or any religious places, tourist places are there where they would like to visit. So, this activity will encourage them to explore more and more these satellite images which are available on this portal. Then draw tool. They can draw, they can develop a map on this satellite imagery, and this is the only portal in India or in the world we can say which provides an opportunities to learners to draw online maps. There are some portals which provide, but this is a customized portal which is based on school curriculum, and this is not only NCERT. We study about India in any curriculum, wherever in India we are studying in any school boards, we will have to study about India, its natural features, its human made features. So, whether it is in class 6 or 7th, 9th, 10th, 11th or 12th, in any class we introduced India in schools. So, it does not matter whether you are studying NCERT syllabus or any state board school syllabus. These are the tools. Put cursor here, it will tell you, here it is written draw tools. Click here, this will show, you can click on image of the earth, on image of this Indian surface of the earth. Click here, these are the tools. This tool helps you to draw point shape file. This is line shape file. This tool can be used to draw any line, any linear feature, whether it is road or railway line or road, canal, anything which you draw with the help of line feature. Then this is polygon. Click to draw polygon shape file, and this tool can be used to edit or modify these shape files. This hybrid, you know that this hybrid tool can be used. Measurement tool is there. You can draw any feature, whether it is line or area, and you can measure its length or area. Like this is a lake. If you have to measure this lake, you will have to digitize this lake. First you will digitize this whole lake and then click on measure area. This will give you the exact measurement of that area or that lake. Click measure length. If you are going to measure length of any road, draw a road and then click on measure. You have drawn this road and click on measure tool. This is giving the total distance of this road, which is about 1.088 kilometer. This is the exact length of this stretch, 1.088 kilometer. As I told you that we can see different layers on the map, different layers of thematic maps on School Bhuvan NCERT portal. If we have seen, this is the relief feature of India, and again if we would like to see density of population on different states or in different districts of India, click here population density and click activate swipe. You can see the density of population in different parts of the country. And why density is different in different parts? Ask students to answer these questions or analyze. They can see, they can explore different relief features and then they will analyze. For level 1, level 2 and level 3, you need username and password to log in this portal, School Bhuvan NCERT. For layers, you don't need any user ID and password. For making use of these tools which are available here, you don't need any username or password, but for making maps under level 1, level 2 and level 3, you need username and password. So if you are new user, what you will do? Click on new user. This box will appear. You will have to make your account, username, email. One thing I would like to say, that for small students who are studying in class 6, 7 or 8 or up to class 10th, if they do not have email ID, teacher can use their email ID and password for 50 students in the classroom. If 50 students are doing any activity on School Bhuvan NCERT, simultaneously all students can use same email and password, same username and password in all activities. So I would request that teachers should make their username and password so that this same username and password may be used by their students during classroom transaction. Here all these particulars you will have to give, like telephone number, name of organization, red mark is there, so these are mandatory fields. All these details you need to give, and purpose you can write for education, because all of you are going to use this School Bhuvan NCERT for education purpose. Click here and then submit. you will get password from ISRO through email. So, after this session, after 11 o'clock, you can, if you do not have email, this username and password, then please make your username and password so that you should be able to log in this portal. Thank you. One thing I would like to say, that if you have any question regarding this program, regarding School Bhuvan NCERT portal, you can send your queries through email to schoolbhuvan@gmail.com. You can also send your queries. You can make phone call on our toll-free number, which will appear on the screen after this session, and all your queries will be recorded and we will answer your questions during any session. Now, I am going to do some other activities directly on School Bhuvan NCERT. So, if you have to locate any capital city of India on School Bhuvan NCERT portal, what you will do? You need to write here name of the city. If we have to write Delhi, first we will start from capital city of India. Click on find. Delhi. So, I am just going to click Delhi Kent Post Office, Delhi. Click here and this is the area. When we are observing this capital city on satellite images, this is not only point which we are observing. What we are observing, the human environment interaction which has taken place through these settlement patterns, these road patterns, natural features. With the help of this satellite imageries, we are not observing this point to locate on paper map. So, when they observe any city on satellite imagery, this helps them to develop a mental image of that city. Like if they are students are familiar with their own area, their own town, their own village, they have a mental image of their area, mental image of their school, mental image of their route from home to school. Similarly, when they observe any map or satellite imagery, it forms a mental image, and then their mental image can be enhanced with the help of these satellite imageries or real image of the Earth's surface. When we click, if northeast region, we say that all northeast region is a hilly region, but all settlement patterns are same there in northeastern region, that we can see here. Because if you want to if you ask students to locate capital cities of Meghalaya, capital cities of Arunachal Pradesh, they think that they have to make dots and they are not aware of the actual natural features of these regions. But on this portal, if you are asking them to locate any city, if we are saying that locate Gangtok, Gangtok, Sikkim. Click here. This is Gangtok. You can zoom in this area. See this natural features, greenery. Ask them to compare these natural features with any other features of India. Internet connection should be good when you do this activity. This is loading, it's coming. Small information of all small towns, small villages are available here. Ask them to explore more and more. Similarly, if we want to see Shillong, in Meghalaya, this is Shillong. See settlement pattern of this city. This is a beautiful city in the northeast, situated on plateau region. So, ask students to compare settlement patterns of Shillong city with Arunachal, with Itanagar, with Gangtok. Is it same? They study about settlement patterns in class 12th textbook. So, instead of reading only textbook content which are given in paragraph and memorizing these facts, they should be encouraged to observe these settlements directly on this portal. Whether this is radial pattern or checkerboard pattern or clustered or hamlet pattern, they themselves observe and compare and analyze and write the report. If we go to Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. It's loading. It's coming here. It's loading. 3D images of some human-made features and physical features are also available on this portal. You can also see these natural as well as human-made features on this satellite imageries. By the time it's loading, we can see GIS viewer. Click here. This is GIS viewer. On this GIS viewer, we can develop choropleth maps. Choropleth maps are given in geography curriculum at +2 level. Students are asked to develop different thematic maps with the help of these methods. Then point maps helps to locate any place with the help of point. Sessions will be devoted to these two themes, choropleth maps and point maps. There we will discuss with you in detail. Then Bhuvan 3D. Click here. Bhuvan 3D I think this should open here. We can check whether it has opened. This is still loading. It means, if it is still loading, it means either several people are using simultaneously this portal. So, it has become slow. So, internet is slow, that is why it is still loading. It may be that so many teachers are using and observing this program, and they can be using this portal simultaneously, because we have requested KVS to ask their teachers to observe this portal, and as well as state government of Sikkim has also allowed their teachers to participate in this program. Teachers from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas are also participating in this program. Some other schools, and from Delhi also some CBSE affiliated schools are also participating. So, I think that so many teachers, so many viewers are using this portal simultaneously. That is why it may be one of the reasons why it has become so slow, but no matter, you can use this Bhuvan 3D. Again, I would like to open this. This 3D models are here, layers are also available, administrative boundary, infrastructure, panchayat boundary, panchayat level maps are also available, sub basin, river basin, minor basins are also available. 3D models of some cities, Bengaluru, Dehradun, Hyderabad, Nagpur. So, human made features, whether these are some temples or high court or some other buildings, important buildings, tourist places, in 3D format they are available here. In forum, you can ask any question related to Bhuvan. If you have any query related to the use of Bhuvan, you can send your queries and ISRO will answer your queries through this forum. Tools are also available on this portal. Add content, you can, for that you need, this box has come that you need login. So, for that very purpose you need username and ID, snapshot, then record and play, you can record anything and play here. Add layer, you can add raster layer, KML, shapefile, WMS layer. Draw tool, again you can draw tool, point, line, polygon here on this 3D portal. Measure area, measure distance, terrain profile. Terrain profile can also be seen. Terrain profile will help you to understand the terrain feature, the height of any area, and for that sometimes we ask students, if you are traveling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, which type of land feature you will see. For that very purpose you can use this portal. You will have to click on two places. Would like to see on this Bhuvan 3D. There will be one session on Bhuvan 3D where we will show you all activities which can be done on Bhuvan 3D portal. So, here you are now you are familiar with these different tools which are available on the portal. You can use any tool to explain natural feature as well as human weight features on the of India. You can download this video where all steps about whatever I have told has also been given. It is 10 minutes video which you can download. Map your own city Varanasi. You can download this. Click here. Ask students to draw any map of their own city, because they are familiar with their own area. Do not ask them to draw map of any other city. If they belong to Surat, if they belong to Shillong or any other place of India, ask students to draw the map of their own city, their own area, their own village on satellite imagery. This is the map of the city of Varanasi. The process is there. Open School Bhavan level 3 and zoom to Varanasi city. The way I have searched different cities, whether Delhi or Shillong or Shimla, you can ask students to search, to write name of the city here and click on search to find their city. Then data of different cities are available which have high resolution data of these cities are available. They have to search, zoom in. Base map, like option is also there. I have already shown you. Click on base map to see infrastructure facilities of that city. This box will appear, infrastructure will appear, and these are the roads and railways and rivers. District boundary can be seen. Now start digitizing. Tool is available like area. Click here and you can digitize the map of this city. Enter the data of Varanasi in the field. In level 3, you can write down details of that city here. A space is given where you can write down the details of that city, characteristics of that city. Here this space is there, and from which source you have collected this information, you can also note down here. From any website, if you are collecting this source, you can write here. Start digitizing the national highway, then select the feature type from the following. This whole exercise is there. After selecting the feature, enter the data in the field. You will have to enter data here. Whatever features, if you are digitizing, you will have to give details here. Then railway line. Any other feature, you can river Ganga, and all data you are entering here. District boundary of map of this city, neighboring city, neighboring districts of Varanasi city, you are digitizing, and ultimately you will prepare this map. Similar exercise you can do for your any other city. In level 1, if we will go, if I put my username and ID and password, this is opening. This is welcome to school Bhuvan NCERT level 1. It is written digitize the point. In this level you can digitize only point feature. This is meant for upper primary stage. They can digitize location of any city, location of capital cities, location of port, airport or any tourist place on the satellite imagery of India. If I click here, zoom in this, this is settlement. These are agriculture areas. And if we want to put a point here, click here. So, if I belong to this area, I will be aware of this region, because whether this is a school or ATM or bank or it's a restaurant or park, I can click here, say school, then click here, this is my school, and then click here, you can put full address, house name, postal code, everything, and then save. Now, again you can write name of the school, my school, and then save. Now, if we will put this cursor here on this point, it shows name of the school, my school, because I have given its name my school, and you can put cursor here to see the name. Information of latitude and longitude is also there. So, if you are putting any point on satellite imageries, it also shows location of that point, location of any school, location of any place on the real image. This is the latitude and longitude. This is our purpose of teaching geography, that they must know the importance of these things, latitude and longitude. They don't have to memorize these, why this is important. They must observe, they must know that why. They can put different points here and see the difference of latitude and longitude in minutes and seconds. Let them observe. Don't tell them what to observe, what to see. Only just provide them opportunities to observe this, to explore this portal as and when they find time, and during classroom or after the classroom in computer lab. And again I would like to say that only one user email, name and password can be used for 50 students simultaneously during classroom transaction. So, here I would like to finish this session, and next session will start at 12 o'clock, and one scientist from National Remote Sensing Center Hyderabad will take session on Bhuvan. This is the school Bhuvan NCERT, meant for school students and teacher, and Bhuvan is a portal for different purposes. Different applications can be seen on this Bhuvan portal, which will be discussed by scientist Mr. Syed Shadab from 12 o'clock to 1 p.m. And for any query, again I would request you to send through mail schoolbhuvan@gmail.com, or you can make phone call on our toll-free number. Thank you.